The sponsor of today's event was by Annexer, and Equinix and DataPipe sponsored in with them. And the genesis today was around data center solutions, around enterprise co-location migration, the insights and the challenges and the processes we should be thinking about going forward. Well, today was a very excellent day. We covered a lot of territory in the conversations today. And what we found out today was some interesting things probably a lot of the folks here didn't realize was that when you're thinking about transforming to the multi-tenant data center, there are big challenges ahead. There are considerations, there's concerns, and we covered around 5 or 6 strong topics, and they range from things like, what are some of the requirements we should be thinking about? From regulatory, policy, compliance, and so forth. And then, other things where we associated, some conversation around cost. Not only the hard physical costs, but some of the hidden costs. Costs of maintaining your own facility when you have certifications that you may be regulated by. Outsourcing that to a multi-tenant data center brought a new awakening to that problem. And then we started thinking about, resource management. And resource management was, about what are the tools, what are the personnel, what are the things you need to run and operate an effective data center in a multi-tenant data center environment. Are you with the right kind of provider who has invested into these types of things? And then when we started looking at, how do I think about moving from the basement, as we like to call it in the business, to the multi-tenant data center, what are the things I should be thinking about in terms of planning, processes, execution, what goes, what stays, what comes later. And these are some serious topics that we covered in today's environment. And then we topped it off around the infrastructure, the quality of it, right? The things that most people don't think about that they should when it comes to types of cabling, the quality, the next generation of connectivity, all of the things that allow us to generate the future of the digital commerce. So we had a great session today. Well, there's this notion that it could be easy, but if you're not associated with the quality and those who have the experience and the breadth and depth to deliver on these, I think you'll be having challenges in front of you that will be totally unknown. So today's environment, today's panel was very spot on, delivering some industry thought leadership that helps give everybody an opportunity to consider and plan and how do I think about that enterprise migration.